Good morning, students, teachers, and all staff of Baton. Can I please have your attention for the announcements? Welcome back to Baton, everyone, as we start a brand new week of school, and we actually start a brand new month of school, with today being the first day of March. We have some routines of how we start new months here at Baton, and this morning is no different. Every new month, we start to recognize a new behavior theme from our BBO that you see right in front of you. And also at the beginning of each month, we recognize students who have earned the title of Terrific Kid from the previous month. Well, first, you're going to notice at the end of the announcements that our behavior theme for the month has changed from last month. And if you remember, during February, we focused on what it meant to find solutions with no BCD, and really dove into what it means to be a problem solver and how blaming, complaining, and defending are not going to help you. Well, that's something we want to continue to work on, but we're going to shift our focus on the announcements back up here to the very first belief of together and the final behavior listed, which is to do great things for each other. And we'll talk about what it means to do great things for each other. You'll come to understand that we are all capable of doing great things and doing great things for one another. And if we all put our energy into that, into doing great things for each other, there's a lot of great stuff that'll be happening here at Baton. So we'll spend a lot of time learning about that here on the announcements, and you'll learn about it in your classrooms as well. And speaking of great things, we also want to take the time this morning to recognize students who have been doing great things, and their teachers have recognized that within the classroom, and see these students who are working hard at being the best versions of themselves. And so we're going to take the time this morning to recognize terrific kids from the primary grades of the building. And then tomorrow morning, we'll recognize the terrific kids from the intermediate grades of the building. So first, primary terrific kids are selected in each class each month to recognize students for working to the best of their ability to improve academic performance, behavior, their relationships with peers, honesty, and/or attendance. So we want to say congratulations to the following terrific kids for the month of February. First, our kindergarten terrific kids for the month of February, we have Brooklyn Heath, Brock Fry, Hunter Furstenberg, Sullivan Miller, Adara Massey, Piper Nickel, Mackenzie Cancel, Mason Salvatore, and Jackson McLaughlin. First grade terrific kids for the month of February, Isabella Bauer, Charlie Eastep, Ben Schramm, Willow Garcia, Ella Widmer, Haley Wells, and Rain Matledge-Lair. And our second grade terrific kids for the month of February, Camara Lanier, Sydney Thompson, Allie Volmar, Olivia Keaton, Finn Serwinski, Elijah Peterson, Savannah Patrick, Adeline Grimes, Landon Cox, and Alfonso Buhay. Congratulations to all of those students who have put in the work to earn that title of Terrific Kid. I will gather those groups later on in the day to make sure that they're getting their Terrific Kid certificate, their small prize, and get their pictures and put them up on the TVs around here at Baton. Keep up the good work. And now will you please stand, face the flag, put your right hand over your heart, and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance and the Baton Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. At Baton Memorial Elementary School, we work together to do great things for others. We have a relentless pursuit of growth to get better every day. We own it. We own our actions and choices. We want to be the best versions of ourselves. Well, thank you, everyone. Today is Monday, March 1st, 2021. For lunch today will be chicken nuggets, baked beans, twisty fries, fruit, and milk. A couple birthdays to celebrate today. Happy birthday to Jake Hughley and Celeste Snyder. We hope both you students have a wonderful day today, getting to celebrate your birthday on this first day of March. And we have a few other announcements for this morning. First, congratulations to Derek Torres and Lacey Schiffert for passing the multiplication facts on the extra math program, and that's in Mr. Ferdinansen's math class. Congratulations to those two students and all those third graders who continue working hard. Announcement for summer softball. So there are summer softball registration forms that are in the office. This is for students ages 7 and up. So anyone 7 and up can sign up for softball. You have to get a registration form. They can be turned back into our office. They just have to be turned in by March 15th, which is 2 weeks from today. So those will be available in the office. For our intermediate students, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, they're all working together on the same Dr. Seuss themes. I know it's Dr. Seuss week. There's a lot of different things going on in different classrooms in the primary side of the building, and intermediates working together on theirs. And today is Crazy Socks Day. And then for the intermediate students, tomorrow is Hat Day. So you may wear a hat as part of our Dr. Seuss week celebration. And that's going to be it for the announcements this morning. So please remember, we're going to work hard to do great things for each other. Make it a great Monday, Baton.